Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, your favorite channel Shubro the Geek. I am your host, I am your dost Shubro. So today what we have got is a speaker, 25 watt speaker, which I purchased on Amazon Great Indian Sale. The speaker is called Jalsa wireless speaker. As you can see, it's a wooden speaker. It's made with wood and all. So we'll be unboxing this, and in the later part of the video I'll be reviewing this. We'll be posting the review. And guys, if you want like comparison with Tag Loop, which I bought like 2 to 2.5 years ago, I still have that speaker. So I will post a review. Just you need to comment down below, guys. As you all know, we have our Discord channel ready, which is linked down below. Please go and shoot your questions over there. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the bell notification icon beside it so that you get notified each and every time I post a new video. Please share this with your friends. And without further ado, I am your host Shubro. You are watching Shubro the Geek. Let's start, shall we? So guys, today we have LiveTech Jalsa wireless speakers with us. So I got this from Amazon Great Indian Sale for a price of 1000 rupees, not 999 only. So what are the things? Let's get a physical overview of the box, and we'll be unboxing this and seeing the physical overview, and we'll be seeing how to connect this with our phone. And in the later part of the video I'll be posting the review of the same, so stay tuned guys. So we can see it's a wooden speaker. So I have got the soft maple one, this color I have got. So what are the things we get? We get wireless, USB, aux, TF card, that is memory card. You can directly put a memory card or a pen drive, and from that you can directly listen to songs. So these are the things which are mentioned on this side of the box, available in two amazing colors, that's soft maple and nut brown. On this side we have this same Jalsa logo and all, and on this side we have the physical things what we get inside the box and all. So it's a wooden speaker, so stylish, with aux, micro SD card support, USB feature. You can connect it to desktop PC, laptop, smartphones and many other devices. Superior sound quality, expanded clarity of music, large driver for precise sound, etc, etc. So we have 4 buttons. One is for mode, then a minus and a plus and play. So mode key uses to switch between Bluetooth or aux or pen drive. Then we have short press on the minus button to go to the previous song, and press long press on the volume down to decrease the volume. Short press on this plus key to go to the next song, or long press on it to increase the volume. Then we have the play, pause, press for long cancelling pairing. So this is the thing. So it's fabricated in China, that's made in China. So the price quoted on the box is 2899, but we got this for 999. I'll be sharing the link down below if you can find it. So these are the physical overview. So without further ado, let's unbox this. So to unbox this, we can turn it over here and open it from this side. So we can see here is a styrofoam inside this. So let's take out the styrofoam. Okay, this is a bit tough to take out. Let me take this out. Okay. So with the styrofoam comes the speaker. Let's keep this styrofoam to the side, and let's take out the speaker itself. So we get the speaker over here. So it's a bit large speaker, and it's a bit on the heavier side. So we get 3 other accessories inside the box. What are the 3 accessories we get? We get a mounting bracket. I don't know where to fit this mounting bracket. And then we get USB type A to micro USB charger for this speaker. It has a battery inside it. And we get an aux cable. That's all the things we get inside the box. Now let's see what this speaker is and how this speaker is. Let's get a physical overview. So we have 4 speakers over here on the front, and we get the control panel on the top, and on the control panel we can see we have a mic, we have auxiliary input, we have TF card reader, we have USB card reader. This is for charging, and this is the on off button. We have 4 buttons as I described in the box, and on this side there are 4 stands on which it will stand, and on the back we have nothing, and on this side we have a woofer vent, and on the back we have nothing, on this side we also have nothing. So let's keep it over here and bring my other phone to check out how to pair this. So here is my mom's phone. So let's go to the Bluetooth settings. We need to turn this on. It will
Bluetooth mode.
So it says like Bluetooth mode. Now we have to press this play pause key for So if we play pause key for 1 or 2 seconds, it will pop up on your phone, Live Tech Jalsa. Just click on it. Okay, let's pair it with. So it's paired. We can see the sound came from there. So let's check out the sound quality, how it is. So let's check out the last video which I posted. It was on Bolt Airbase Pro.
Hello guys, मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त और मैं हूँ आपका host शुभ्रो. आप देख रहे हैं शुभ्रो द गीक.
It's too loud. It's
So
too loud.
why am I speaking in Hindi? Because I want
It's too loud. You guys will be loving this. It's a 20-watt speaker which we are getting. You guys will be just loving this. The sound is so nice, as it's very bass heavy. So I'll be testing it, and in the later part of the video let me give you a perfect review of this. So guys, stay tuned. So welcome back guys. So I have been using this speaker for a week or so. So let's see, we already paired with our phone, as you remember. So I have turned on the Bluetooth on this one. Let's turn on the speaker and see if it automatically pairs with my phone.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, it got started and it got paired instantly. It's very fast. It uses Bluetooth 4.0 though. You can see it's paired over here. Live Tech Jalsa is written over here. So let's play the YouTube like our video from some video from our channel. So let's play the Moano one. Let's increase the volume.
Welcome to your favorite channel शुभ्रो द गीक. मैं हूँ आपका
Too
दोस्त, मैं हूँ
loud. It's
आपका
too
host
loud.
शुभ्रो.
It's too loud.
So guys,
So we
today
can
I'm
reduce the
going to
volume. I used to listen for at 80%, and at 80%. So let's pause this. So at 80%, I used to get a battery life of near about 5 hours on regular charge, and I used it a lot, and it has a very good sound signature, a good bass. So you will be loving Indian music. So guys, for the ratings which will be coming in just a second after I speak about it. So guys, you can go and purchase this, and this is a very good material. This is a wood finish. I love this wood finish. So guys, to rate this overall, I will be rating it 9 out of 10 for the clarity of sound and the build quality. It's very, like, it gives a premium feel in your hand. It's built very nicely. And to say about the bass and the sound quality, I'll be rating it 8.5. See, I have listened to a lot of speakers and I love all those speakers, but yeah, this speaker is somewhat like not at the very extreme end, but for the price which we are getting for this speaker, this set of speakers, I must say, for the price, it's very good. It's pretty damn good, and I would tell you, all of you guys, to go ahead and purchase this speaker. This speaker is very, very good, and you'll be loving this speaker. So without further ado, let's talk about the speaker quality, the sound signature. So you can have you can receive phone calls from this speaker. It has a microphone inbuilt inside it, and it will be able to listen to your voice and send to the other person. So I have used this with my laptop, and it does a pretty good job of amplifying the sound and all. So guys, it would be my suggestion to purchase this. And that's all. The review is again 9 out of 10, and the battery life is quite good. I love the battery life on this speaker. It's on the heavier side. It's not that portable, so guys, mind that. It's like a fit or 1 fit or so large, and it weighs near about a kilo. So guys, keep that in mind. Except that, the speaker is very good. Let's turn this off. So guys, that was your host Shubhro talking about Live Tech Jalsa. the speaker which we bought for 999, and this is a very good Bluetooth speaker, I must say. So you guys can purchase this, and it's on Amazon. I will be providing the links if I can find, if the sale is still live. So guys, you can close your eyes and purchase this speaker. This set of speakers are very good. So guys, go ahead and purchase this. This was your host Shubro from Shubro the Geek, speaking and talking about and reviewing speakers for you guys. Guys, as you know, please do support me in my endeavors. These speakers are bought with my own price and I don't have that amount of money. And I need your support to grow my channel. Please share this channel with your friends, family and everyone you know, so that my channel reaches to a very large amount of people, and I can get some support from the community. I have built a Discord community, my Discord server, from where you all guys can join. I have many things planned in the future. So guys, please join my Discord server. That was all for the day. It was your host Shubro from Shubro the Geek, signing off. Bye bye. Adios. Bye.